guys, welcome to Rajasthan. हम यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं जयपुर में. The city known for its beauty and peace and tradition. But आज यहाँ पर हम दिखाने वाले हैं एक नया ही buzz. This city has come to life because यहाँ हो रहा है राजस्थान फैशन वीक. आपको दिखने वाले हैं बहुत सारे डिजाइनर्स, अच्छे कपड़े, new trends and of course beautiful people and lots of Bollywood stars. So stay with me, Simi Chandok, and keep watching the Rajasthan Fashion Week. Vivek, I cannot even say that you're looking pretty in pink because the pink is so pretty, but you're looking so handsome, you're looking so nice. So any reservations when you thought like you're going to wear pink? I think it's really worked.
Not at all. I love pink and when you're in the pink city, why reservations? You're in Jaipur, you're in the pink city and here the color pink resonates with Rajputs, yeah? So it's the color of valor.
Well, anyway, I think it takes a lot of confidence and a very handsome man to carry off pink, and I think you have it.
Thank you so much, Simi. You're looking absolutely gorgeous. You're looking like a showstopper tonight.
Thank you. I stopped the show, Okay, now Vivek ने कहा है कि मैं on camera कहूँ तो I'm being honest. ये कह रहे हैं कि मैंने इन्हें wait करवाया, and that's true. ये बेचारे wait कर रहे थे, but he came in before me. You see.
It's the prerogative of every beautiful girl that men wait for her.
Thank you, Vivek. So Kirti, tell me, why did you pick this color? Vivek ने तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त explanation दे ही दिया यहाँ पर.
See, like Vivek said, color of life, pink city, which is associated with Rajasthan, which is associated with lots of bright colors. So pink was like one of the best color among my collection. Plus, I knew that only Vivek could carry this pink color really well.
Vivek, when I was walking in the lobby और मैं ये छोटे बच्चों को वहाँ देख रही थी जोधपुर में, and then I knew that you're walking the ramp and I was thinking about it कि this is like a cause straight, from your heart.
मुझे लगता है कि फैशन की चकाचौंध के पीछे थोड़ा सा दिल तो होना ही चाहिए और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि कीर्ति ना सिर्फ फैंटास्टिक डिज़ाइनर है बट फैंटास्टिक ह्यूमन बीइंग है. शी इज समबडी हु इज सपोर्टिंग दीज किड्स. बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हैं. आई गॉट टू नो ऑल ऑफ देम. इट्स लवली टू कनेक्ट विद दीज किड्स एंड ऑल्सो टू टेक देयर कॉज आउट. दे आर HIV पॉजिटिव लेकिन the only thing positive about them is their attitude. हमेशा मुस्कुराते हैं, जीवन को गले लगाते हैं, and that's something that we can all learn and be a part of. My wish is to encourage such organizations, such people, such designers, and all of you lovely people to give these kids another chance. Chairman Saab, Shishupal Bhaiya to us, is also the chairman of the Child Welfare and Child Labour Department. So a plea to you to do something more and special for these kids. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Before I go, Dinesh, एक बार और सीटी मारेगा माइक पे? There you go. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
The royal touch of Rajasthan always, attracted me, and I always wanted to take an initiative to do something good and something innovative out of box. So that, and Rajasthan Fashion Week, Rajasthan, the word is very known in the international map. It attracts a lot of people, it attracts a lot of celebrities, and that's how we were attracted to come here on our request. So that's how Rajasthan came up, and for seasons to come, we have a lot of more concepts, a lot of more innovative idea to unveil.
And now we have with us Rohit Verma of Style Strip fame. Welcome to Zoom again.
Thank you so much. I think it's my home channel and I see you're doing a view looking stunning. But why this so plugging neckline?
Thank you, sweetie. Don't be jealous because you don't have cleavage.
Oh my God, I know it's your motto is when you have got it, flaunt it.
Okay, thank you. And Rohit, I was talking to you before the fashion week started और आपने काफ़ी मुझे details बताई, but you kept the main secret. लेकिन मुझे पता लग गया you have a theme. It's called Kama Sutra.
Yeah. I think it's Kama Sutra and हाँ Kama Sutra है and I think Kama Sutra का ये मतलब नहीं है, प्लीज सेंसर मत करिएगा. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी फंकी बोल्ड. द इंस्पिरेशन कामा सूत्रा की है और वही मैंने अपने कपड़ों पे निर्माण किया है और अपने कपड़ों पे दर्शाया है.
निर्माण किया है।
शुद्ध हिंदी।
आपको कोई कामासूत्रा फीलिंग आ रही है क्या?
वो अभी फीलिंग अंदर दबाई हुई है, बाहर आएगी स्टेज पर पहुंचने तक।
Okay guys, are you feeling sexy in these clothes?
Yes, I am. From last 2 hours, just waiting for the show.
And they're very bold and they're very different.
Yes, they are. They're vibrant, and I would love to work for him anytime, anytime.
And यहाँ पे हमारी एक और Zoom की एंकर आ गई हैं। I hate standing with her guys. इतनी लंबी है। How do you feel? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a fantastic dress which has so much ghera, it's unbelievable, and I love the embroidery. I love the color. I love the whole do. I feel happening.
Okay, so for once, Rohit is gonna go through style strip with me.
All right, okay, done. Done.
See, about watches, if I say, maybe in India, I'm the only person who makes this kind of bespoke, very different shapes like peacock, with like dewdrop, like seasons, like many other shapes, which are very different than other monotonous shapes. Price range starts from 86,000 to 15 lakhs. It's all in gold and VVS quality diamonds.
It was hardly a dance, but yeah, it was a little bit of drama because Sandeep was opening the show for Rohit Verma. तो उसके साथ डांस तो नहीं किया है, लेकिन people are saying it's dance, so it's great.
Really pleasure to have this post, and it's really gonna be big. I'm really happy about the crowd, the media encourage everything. I'm really very happy.
मैं पिछले करीब 15-16 साल से बॉलीवुड में, फैशन वर्ल्ड में और फिल्म्स, टेलीविज़न्स उसी में हूँ। काफ़ी मौका मिलता है जाने का, फैशन शोज़ अटेंड करने का, चाहे बेंगलोर, चाहे चंडीगढ़, दिल्ली, चेन्नई, कोलकाता। वहाँ पे देखता हूँ कि वहाँ के कल्चर को, वहाँ के डिज़ाइनर्स को इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है। कहीं ना कहीं राजस्थान का डिज़ाइनर अपने आप को पिछड़ा सा महसूस करता है। उसी को ध्यान में रख के मैंने अपनी टीम के बैठा, एक एक करके एक टीम बनाई और राजस्थान फैशन वीक एक बच्चे के रूप में पैदा हुआ। लेकिन आप मीडिया के सपोर्ट से, यहाँ की जयपुर की राजस्थान की जनता के सपोर्ट से, हमारे डिज़ाइनर्स के सपोर्ट से ये बच्चा बहुत ही पहली पैदा होते ही दौड़ने लगा है।
मैं तो कहता हूँ कि अभी से अगला बुकिंग कोई भी फैशन डिज़ाइनर अभी से करवा ले राजस्थान फैशन वीक से, बाकी तो शायद चांस मिलने का भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, लग रहा है ऐसा।
रॉयल्टी और फैशन का सिलसिला अभी जारी है, कहीं मत जाइए। सी यू आफ्टर शॉर्ट ब्रेक। लगता है जो राजस्थान के लोकल्स हैं वो तो काफ़ी मॉडर्न हो गए हैं। आप देखिए वो खा रहे हैं शावरमा एंड हॉट डॉग्स। बट यहाँ पे जो सेलिब्रिटीज आए हैं, व्हाट डू दे थिंक ऑफ राजस्थान? इफ वी हैड टू आस्क देम टू डिस्क्राइब राजस्थान इन वन वर्ड, I think we're going to get very interesting answers. Let's find out.
Memories. Lots of memories. I grew up here. I studied in Mayo College, Ajmer.
Actually, my debut as an actor was in Tipu Sultan, and it was in Rajasthan.
मेरे दिमाग में आता है लिट्टी बाटी पहला थिंग, और फिर आता है Land of Colors.
Beautiful palaces and the entire concept of royalty.
Lot of colors, vibrant colors, and lot of ethnic stuff.
Regal, beauty.
Food.
and the bandhani, what I'm wearing.
It's puppets.
Khana.
My husband, he's very, very fond of Rajasthani food. Churma is his special and घेवर I like. And मुझे राजस्थान में सब कुछ ही पसंद है.
सबसे पहले जब राजस्थान की बात आती है तो मेरे दिमाग में पैलेसेस, Amer Fort and colors.
You think of the desert, you think beautiful colors, you think camels, you think tents, you think going out and seeing beautiful havelis.
राजस्थान वर्ड सुनते ही सबसे पहले मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आता है पधारो मारो देश, बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम राजस्थान ओनली.
देखिए राजस्थान का अपना एक अलग ट्रेडिशन है. हम इसको कहते हैं रंग बिरंगा राजस्थान.
What was that one connect that you were thinking of when you were doing?
My one connect was the organic fabric that I use for my Pret line.
By the way, they were beautiful.
Thank you so much. And the women's wear were completely crushed, and the print and the style and everything was completely motivated by Rajasthan. And I think the women looked really, really sexy in whatever they were wearing.
Zahid, you just finished walking the ramp for Shahid. Did you even know what you're wearing? Was it planned or was it a surprise?
Well, honestly, I've worked with Shahid so much right now that I like it when I'm surprised. Firstly, because he just knows exactly how finicky I am when it comes out wrong. Secondly, he's such an established designer. He's been there for so many years. I kind of sometimes just blindly leave it to him because he is so innovative. I mean, he's one of those El Clasico designers who has come such a long way. Who's not into the nestle and bustle of brand building and publicity. I think he uses all that energy into his creativity.
So basically this was a surprise and you did not know what you're going to wear.
Yeah, I just told him I'm losing weight, so just make sure that.
My theme is High Street Mela. We have simple cuts, very simple cuts, clean dhoti pants. We have long capes, we have saris, we have lehengas. So this is all which incorporates in our collection. And to stylize it, we have exaggerated the shoulder pads, we have exaggerated the sleeves, the high collars and everything. They all incorporate for our look. My colors, I love all of them. All the neonic shades which are in fuchsias, lime, green, orange, tangy orange, they look amazing.
fabric I've used is organic cotton. We've also used digital prints because that was the best way of capturing the walls of the Mehrangarh fort. In fact, if you saw the runway, the entire ramp was one of the carpets which is right now at the fort. And one of the digital printed pieces in blue porcelain is a wall in the Umaid Bhavan Palace.
Designers and models cannot work non-stop, can they? So while they take their break, we are going to wait. See you on the other side.
I got the 60s and the 80s look back with the old-fashioned churidar, the fitted kameezas, and the very elaborate dupattas. And even the jewelry was designed according to that look. The 60s could look, we had lovely balis and jhumkas and everything for the 60s. Then we had a little of diamond jewelry in between to enhance the Indo-Westerns. And bridal, of course, Vijay is fantastic with. I want to tell the whole world कि ये बच्चे स्पेशल हैं. ये नहीं कि वो व्हील चेयर पे है तो इन्हें भूला जाए या फिर प्यार नहीं दे. वो प्यार के काबिल हैं तो उनको बहुत प्यार कीजिए. So इसीलिए we got this girl on the wheelchair and we showed the world that we can be loved too and they're very special to all of us.
We just started with the white, beautiful drapes and stuff, and then we started slowly with the colorful, bright color saris, and then we ended with the opulent lehengas. So it's a mix of everything.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जयपुर आकर और स्पेशली सोनिया का जो क्लोथ्स है बहुत ही स्पेशल है और हर लड़की को अगर पूछो तो दे फील के मैं आज दुल्हन फील कर रही हूँ बिकॉज दे आर सो ब्यूटिफुल.
I think it's a beautiful dress and it looks like it could be warm in it because it's so full and like I'm covered from top to toe, but it's really quite airy and nice.
I'm very happy that she's here. I think she just looks like she just fits the role of a Khasi girl.
Wow, that was a lot of excitement for day one at the Rajasthan Fashion Week. छोटे प्यारे नन्हे बच्चे और stars जिनके दिल हैं कितने अच्छे. You know what? We are going to see you again tomorrow, same time, same place with more fashion and more trends only on Zoom.